approved marine drugs. At the moment, 8 approved marine-derived drugs are on the market. Only 3 of them contain the molecules in their natural form. One of them is Prialt, a synthetic equivalent of omega-conotoxin. Omega-conotoxin, this 25 amino acid peptide, was isolated from a venom of fish-hunting cone snail Conus magus. The peptide blocks the presynaptic N-type calcium channels and prevents neurotransmitter release. As a consequence, the nerve impulses are blocked. The drug is used for the management of severe and chronic pain. Prialt is 50 times more potent than morphine and does not produce tolerance, unlike opiates. Yondelis, also called trabectedin, the anti-cancer alkaloid, was isolated from the Caribbean ascidian, Actinascidia turbinata. The drug is currently obtained through the semi-synthetic process from the intermediate, Cynosophracin B, from the bacterium Pseudomonas fluorescens. It is a DNA alkylation agent which prevents DNA transcription. Yondelis is used in treatment of soft tissue sarcoma and ovarian cancer. Carrageenan, a sulfated galactose polymer, iota-carrageenan, from red algae. It has a broad spectrum of antiviral properties and can be used to treat human rhinovirus, coronavirus, and influenza A virus. Cytarabine is a modified form of nucleoside produced by the Caribbean sponge Cryptotetea crypta, and it was the first marine natural product that was approved for clinical use. It was in 1969. Cytarabine inhibits DNA polymerase and DNA synthesis. To some degree, it is incorporated into DNA and RNA, which also contributes to its cytotoxic effects. Cytarabine is widely used in the treatment of various types of leukemia and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Lovaza, former name Omacor, is a triglyceride-lowering agent. Lovaza is obtained through esterification of omega-3 fatty acids isolated from fish oil. The drug was developed based on the observation that the native Alaskans have lower mortality rates from cardiovascular diseases. The benefit effects were attributed to high polyunsaturated fatty acid content in their diet. Halavan, eribulin mesylate, is an analog of halyhondrin B, a polyether microlide produced by sponge Holychondria cardai. In cancer cells, halavan exerts potent and irreversible antimitotic effects, leading to cell death and apoptosis. Eribulin mesylate was approved for metastatic breast cancer treatment. Adcetris, brentuximab vedotin, as anti-cancer drug, entered into the market most recently. This drug is a synthetic analog of dolastatin 10, isolated for the first time from the CHAR Dolabella auricularia. In the next presentation, more data on the development of this drug will be presented. It is expected that the number of newly approved drugs of marine origin will continue to increase. According to the data from Marine Pharmacology website, 26 marine or marine-derived drugs are currently in clinical trials, 5 in phase 3, 8 in phase 2 and 13 in phase 1. But still, the tested compounds can be withdrawn from clinical trials if lack of efficacy or drug toxicity occur.